What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a few special guests here. Two of my buddies, one on a Grom, one on an FZ-07. We're gonna see what the FZ-07's got today. This guy's a goon, and I hope I don't run out of gas. So we got a lot going on. Get some fuel here, and it's time to party. Today's going to be a banger of a video. Looking forward to this for so long. I see a lot of people in the market for these two bikes, the FZ and the Gsx-S. They're two great bikes. I mean, two totally different worlds. Oh my God, the downshifts are just, oh, amazing. That thing was lifting, boy. That thing's a torque monster and it's light, so if I get higher up in the power band, I might be able to do better. I might try first gear. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Race, big dog. We were on it.
Yeah, dude, I'm surprised how close that was.
Me too, honestly. All the way up to like fourth gear, I was like right there.
Yeah. Let's go, baby. Good, one more. One more. Well, there y'all have it. Very, very close, but I have to stay in first gear to stay in the power band. So this is my first time on an MT-07. So this has a full system. This thing sounds insane. This thing is dope. Dude, this thing sounds so good. I got beat, but I guess it's by my own bike, so that's good. What you think?
It's fast as fuck. It gets up. The thing about it is, like, you can, like in first gear, you can be at 60, 70 miles an hour almost, and then you hit second thinking you got, all right, I can hit second and run it, and then you're like, oh my God, I'm already doing fucking 70.
Dude, this thing sounds so crazy, bro.
It's amazing. I love it. That's like part of the reason that I bought it, was because it didn't sound like every other bike.
So I think I'm gonna do the outro on a different bike, first time I've ever done this. If you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new, and be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.